So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make fever fudge from Harry Potter. I discovered this a couple of years back. I make this recipe for fudge, and someone had bought us fever fudge from the Harry Potter world, and I was like, I could make that. So I've kind of developed this recipe from my own fudge recipe. It's really easy to make. All you need is marshmallows, white chocolate chips, hot tamales, sugar, butter, and milk. And I'll give the portions for that in the recipe below. And then to make it, all you need is a pot and a mixer and a pan. And make sure you grease the pan. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to make it. So all you gotta do is you add your butter, your milk, and your sugar to your pot. You'll bring that to a boil, and you'll boil that. The recipe says for about 3 minutes, but I find that's not long enough. You want to boil it for probably closer to about 6 minutes, just until you start to see the mix start to caramelize. And I'll show a picture of what it looks like when it's all nice and caramelized. While the sugar mix is heating up, I've gone ahead and added my chocolate chips and my marshmallows to the mixing bowl. When my sugar's all done, we'll pour that on top, and then we'll mix it in and melt it all. And we'll get there soon. When it gets to boiling like this, you want to reduce the heat to medium. You'll boil it for about anywhere from 3 to 6 minutes, maybe a little longer. You can see it's nice and white right now. You want it to start to caramelize. And at this point, you're stuck here. You're stirring the whole time. All right, that's been about 9 minutes of boiling. It's starting to turn a little bit of golden color. I don't know how well it's showing up in the video, but it's starting to look about right. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat off, and we'll dump that into the mix. All right, so now you just dump that on top. It's nice and hot, so it'll melt everything. You want to get all of that goodness in there. You paid for it, you got to get it out of there. There we go. I'll drop that. See, it's all nice and smooth now. So now we'll add the hot tamales and mix those in a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just mixing in those hot tamales. You want them nice and even in there. And then we'll pour it into the pan that's already nice and greased. All right, that looks about right. Oh, look at that. It's already starting to set, so I gotta hurry up. All right, we got that all in the pan. Now you put it somewhere cool to set for about 2 to 3 hours, if not overnight, and then you cut it up. So I let this set for a couple of hours, and now I cut it up. You can see there's nice red hots throughout the middle of it. There you go. I also made a batch of regular fudge, and that's all set and cut up too. So I'm gonna get a piece for my wife, who's recording for me. And there you go. What do you think?